Welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman. We're with the Yamaha 222X today. Huge transom area for coming on and off the boat. Walk through here. We've got twins in this boat. So twin jet drives. Table mount here. Gets a nice snap out carpet inside. Coming up to the helm, you have your operations screen, stereo controller, a few accessories, and your wireless phone charger. And again, your twin Yamaha throttles. A little bit of storage under here. The trash can, filler cushions for the front. We'll move into the front. Big bow. There's also a table that goes in the rear. Again, wireless phone chargers on both sides, one for the driver, one for the passenger. Nice stereo system. Integrated cooler to the boat. This one is outfitted with a bimini top as well. You can see this and many other Yamahas here at Lake Norman and MarineMax.com. Thank you.